Hey guys, it's the RC Bros. We're doing soccer with the RC cars. And I have my special guest, Blake. He's my best friend from school.
Hey, Blake.
And we're doing soccer.
Soccer, but with RC cars. That sounds interesting.
Can't wait for this.
We've never done this before, so we don't know how it's going to go. Hopefully it'll be...
So that's my goal over there.
That's the goal you're defending, yep.
Yes. He's trying to score on that one. I'm trying
You're trying to score there.
And I'm defending over there.
Yep.
I'm going to beat you, Sawyer. Oh, yeah. Nah. You're just going to... You're acting all that. No, you're not. No, you're not. He's just acting all that. How to control this. Let's control it from out here.
And I'll try, if it goes out of bounds, I'll just kick the ball back in, all right?
Ready? You want me to turn on my high speed? Where's my speed? You don't have high speed, alright? Right, ready? Yeah. Go!
Blake's car isn't on.
Oh.
Got to turn it on the underside.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, don't start yet. Okay, restart. Come on, cheater.
Make sure it works first. Okay.
It does.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, ready? Go. Wait, oh my God. Whoa. How do you get this? How do you get the ball?
Okay, the ball's kind of...
How do you get the ball?
You got to hit the ball.
How do you get it? I'm going in circles. I swear. Beep, beep, ah. Mine's in a mode.
You got to...
Mine's in some type of mode. Stop. Okay. That's better.
Oh, there you go. He's doing it. Oh, Blake hit it the wrong way. Oh! Oh.
Whoa, Blake, don't be clapping my seats. The ball went out of bounds.
Okay, oh, hold on.
I'll get it.
Got it? Okay. Oh, you hit it the wrong way.
Hit my ball the wrong way. Oh, crap. Blake, you may not even know. No!
Oh, no. Oh, good save.
You're going to get a no goal. Oh, stop it.
Blake, you got to... You know how to turn it, right, Blake?
No!
Oh,
Oh,
oh.
my God!
Was that a goal?
No.
Okay, it's a little chaotic here. Oh, close.
No! 1 goal. 1-0. We score.
Okay.
1-0. I'm not happy after that. I'm not happy. You sure you know how to play? I am. Go.
Oh, no. Oh,
I tricked you.
it's going. Oh. Oh, no. Goal!
A no goal is my point. It's a no goal. My point. I don't care. One.
Tied 1-1. Take it to the middle.
That was no goal. Blake, you're cheating. No, it's sure and solid. It's a no goal. What is that?
Just means
It's where you kick.
you scored on your own.
Wait!
Oh, hold on a second.
Go back one. Behave yourself.
Yeah, you can get penalties too, just like in real soccer.
Ready? Go.
Oh, double wipeout.
How do you do it? A wheelie! I did a wheelie. I don't not want to kick it in my own. Why do you keep on going in my goal? But you're never gonna get it. I don't have.
That was a good hit. Whoa, good stop. Here, let me put it back in. Oh, good hit. Oh!
Oh my gosh, Blake.
Wipe out.
Keep on flipping.
Because yours is smaller. Uh-oh. Oh, goal!
It's 2-2.
No, 2-1.
Sawyer's up. I'm gonna try something. Hey. Oh yeah, maybe we're gonna keep it. I'm gonna just kick it in.
Okay, on your mark.
Is that?
Go. Oh, you missed. A whiff. That's all right. Oh, good save. Good save by the goalie there. Oh, can Sawyer get it? Oh, no. He wiped. No, hasn't crossed yet. Hasn't crossed yet. Okay, I
Was
think.
that a bounce? Out of bounds. No. I demand a challenge. No. That was out of bounds. No, it wasn't. Out of bounds. No. Out of bounds. The lines count. It's 3-1.
All right, Blake needs to come back here.
Ready? We're only doing 2 more laps.
Okay, well, yeah, we'll say
Anytime
first to 5.
you can tie it. Ready, set, go.
Oh, yellow card.
Sawyer cheated. He moved his car. So no yellow car
Yeah.
means he also moved his car.
Okay, yeah, Sawyer, you can't. When your car flips, you got to put it in the same spot. You can't move it to like a better spot. Oh, wipe out.
No.
Uh-oh. Oh, went out of bounds.
No.
Oh, goal!
Let it go. I tied 2, 3. Not tied.
Hey, Blake, make sure don't drop the controller, okay?
Wait, Sawyer. You want me to turn it on my high gear? No. I will. Ready, go.
Uh-oh. Could be a score. Oh, wipe out. Oh,
It's a goal. It's a goal. Went over.
goal. Tied up.
Well, that's it. We'll come back on time.
3-3.
Yeah. My high gear is competition. Ready? Go. Oh my God.
Uh-oh, Sawyer's got a good spot. You got to back up. There you go. Oh, that was a good hit. Blake's gonna need some defense. Oh. Oh no! Goal! I think that might have been an own goal.
No, I didn't. Sawyer did it.
Okay.
Sawyer touched the ball.
All right. Sawyer's 1 goal away. Blake's 2 away.
I had to turn it on my high gear. Sawyer cheating because he keeps moving his ball.
No, I'm watching him now. I'm watching him now.
But it's not cheating. Go.
Oh,
Move.
we're a little loose with the rules, so it's okay. All right, Blake's got to get back on defense. Sawyer's almost there. Oh, uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Out of bounds. No. Then I demand a rematch. No.
All right.
No rematch.
Okay, well, that's game one. I think Sawyer, it was a good game. Blake had a good comeback. We're still figuring out how to do this exactly. Right.
Swear. Now I know we can do.
All right, so like and subscribe. Thanks, Blake, and we'll make some more videos.
And bye.
See ya.